And the wonderful world of Barbie welcomes you on the 7th birthday celebration of Eliza. But before we go down, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to introduce ourselves as your party host for this evening. My name is Kuya Anjo, and together with my party assistant, Ate Tina and Kuya Marky. But before we start, ladies and gentlemen, pwede po ba bigyan natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan? Sabay-sabay po tayo. Let us all welcome our birthday girl. It's no other than Eliza G. Aquino. A round figure of applause para sa ating birthday girl. Ayan. So, isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At syempre, maligayang pagdating po dito sa Jollibee Calamba Crossing. At this point, so we have prepared a 7th edition to our birthday girl. This birthday celebration for Eliza. Ayan. Siyempre, acknowledge na rin natin yung escort ni Eliza for this birthday celebration na si Kuya Michael. Si Kuya Michael. Palakpakan naman natin sila dalawa. Ayan. And now for this birthday celebration, so we have a 7 balloons. We have also the 7 candles, 7 roses, and the 7 wishes. So let's start this for a 7 balloons para sa mga kids namin and to all participants for this 7th edition. So please be prepared yourself. Ayan. And now, once again, to start the 7th balloon, so let's call on for this in front. Okay, let's call on Dave. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Dave. Okay, let's call on Dave. And Dave, you can give your also a message para kay Eliza. You can get the color balloons there. And before you give the balloons to Ate Eliza, so you can give a message. But meron ka bang message kay Eliza? O, tingin ka kay Eliza. Meron ka bang gusto sabihin kay Eliza? Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Dave. O, give mo yung balloon para kay Eliza. O, give mo yung balloon. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Dave. O, dito ka lang, Dave, sa unahan. Samahan mo kami. Huwag ka muna upo, ha? And now, for the second balloon, let's call on Jahed. Palakpakan naman natin si Jahed. Ayan. Okay, let's call her red balloon for Eliza. And what is your message, Jahed, for Eliza?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eliza. Maging mabait ka sa magulang mo.
Yay! Palakpakan naman natin si Jahed. You give now the balloon for Eliza. I'll stay here, Jahed, at the right side. And now, for this third balloon, let's call on Jasmine. Palakpakan naman natin si Jasmine, guys. Okay, so let's have next for third balloon. Let's call on Mebby. Ayan. Bigyan mo yung balloon si Ate Eliza. Ayan. O, punta mo na dito. Punta ka muna sa kanila. And now, for the fourth balloon, let's call on for this, Matthew. Palakpakan naman natin si Matthew. Okay, green balloon for Ate Eliza. And we have message, Matthew for Eliza. Look at Ate Eliza.
Eliza and God bless.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Matthew. Thank you so much, Matthew. Ayan. And now, for the fifth balloon, let's call on Gabriel. Okay. Okay, so we call on Gabriel. Let's give the green balloon for Gabriel. Okay, Gabriel, do you have anything to say for Ate Eliza?
Happy birthday, Eliza.
Thank you. Palakpakan naman natin si Gabriel. Gabriel, give now the balloon for Ate Eliza. Give mo yung balloon. Thank you. Palakpakan naman natin si Ate Eliza. Gabriel, stay here. Ayan. And now for the sixth balloon, let's call on Ate Christine. Palakpakan naman natin si Christine. Okay, Christine. Ay orange balloon for Ate Christine.
Happy birthday,
syempre, blow balloon for Ate Eliza. Let's call on Kuya Kenneth. Palakpakan naman natin si Kenneth. Okay, Kenneth, the last balloon for you for Ate Eliza. At anong gusto mong sabihin kay Ate Eliza?
Happy birthday, Eliza. Sana mag-aral ka mabuti. God bless you.
Palakpakan naman natin si Kenneth, mga kaibigan. So, for this time, at Kuya Kenneth, stay here, ayan. And sana maging inspiration para kay Ate Eliza sa mga sinabi ng mga kids na ito. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin the 7 balloons of Ate Eliza. Isang malakas na palakpak naman. At syempre, let's have a group picture here. Ayan, sige mo tayo dun sa side. Ayan. Thank you so much sa ating mga participants for the 7th balloon. Okay. Smile and look at the camera, kids. Para meron tayong souvenir. Ayan.